Do you like the sound of that? Trash to treasure. Today we are going to turn a water bottle into a bird feeder and make a rocket ship out of cardboard. First, we'll punch a hole in the side of the bottle and fill it up with some birdseed. Then we'll hang it from a tree and see who we can attract. For the rocket, we'll use a cardboard box, some duct tape and a couple of plastic bottles for fuel. We'll attach the fins to the body of the rocket using hot glue and then wrap it all the way around with duct tape. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't fall apart in flight. Now let's take it outside and launch it into the air. I'm so glad we got to play with these today. What do you want to see us make next?